Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve another one of the important programming challenge of HackerRank, and name of that programming challenge is jumping on the clouds. Before we start solving the problem, if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the regularly updates. Now, in this problem, you will have two input. One is n and another one is list of integer of n values. For example, let's say we will keep n equal to 7. So there will be 7 list of integer values. For example, you can see that I am entering 7 values here in the form of zeros and 1. Now, our job is that we have to start from first level and we have to end to our destination, that is end value, and we have to find it out shortest way to travel from first to last. And there is one more important point to notice, that you can jump maximum 2 values and minimum 1 value. And there is also one important point you need to remember, that you can't travel to one number of value. That means you can see here two values are given, one is 0 and another one is 1. You can only travel in zeros, not in 1, and you have to travel only, you can travel maximum 2 jump, minimum 1 jump. Let's understand this problem with a pictorial representation. Let's write it here, all the 7 values, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, again 0, 0. Now I told you to travel from first to last in the shortest way possible. So first of all, we will try directly to jump 2 values, because that will provide us the shortest distance, right? So if I will travel from first to the next to jump, so it is 1. So I can't travel to 1, I already told you that. So minimum jump is 1. So I have taken 1 jump and I have reached to the second number of value. Now again I will try to 2 jump. Here you need to understand that every time I am trying to 2 jump, after that I am coming to 2, 1, because I need to get the shortest distance. The output of this problem of jumping on the cloud is that you have to provide the shortest distance from first to last. And if you will directly go to 2 jump, then it will provide the shortest distance. Now here I am at, again I will try to 2 jump. Here the 2 jump, if I'll get 0 is there, so that is the valid jump. Again I will try 2 jump, this time 1 is there, so again I will take 1 jump. Now again I am trying to 2 jump to reach the final, and here I reached the final value. Now let's count how many number of jumps I have done to reach the destination. So total number of jump I have taken is 4 to reach our destination. So our output will be 4. Now let's see the constants of this problem. The value of n should be between 2 to 100, and the input of values of list you will always get in either in 0 or 1. 0, that is valid to jump. 1, that means you can't jump. Okay, and the maximum jump you can take 2, and minimum jump that you can take is 1. And your output should be shortest number of jump to reach from first position to last position. And you have to also remember that first position that you are jumping should be 0, it should not be 1. I already told you can't travel from 1. Okay, now let's start writing our logic about this problem. Here I will take input as n equal to 7 only, and let's write our string of list integer number. Here I have written 7 numbers, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now I've told you that all the values will come in a list integer, right? Let's take list integer as c. Now what I will do, I am going to iterate the value with the help of a while loop. So I'm going to initialize 2 values. First one is int iteration and another one is int count. So I will count the number of values that it traversed. Now let's write a while loop. Now you can see that with the help of a while loop, I will travel from first value to the last value. Now, what I am doing here is, inside while loop, I am checking the current position where I am, it is 0 or not. If it is 0, then I am counting that value, and if it is not 0, then I will move it to the second position. In that scenario, I am going to use else block. Now here, if I am in the current position as 0, then in the current position only I am going to check if I will try to jump 2 iteration, then it is 1 or not. If it is possible jump or not. If it is a possible jump in 2 iteration, then I will directly jump to the 2. Otherwise, I will reduce it to 1. You can see the conditional operator I am checking here. Checking here that if the value iteration is less than size, means current position plus 2 is less than size, okay, and then again check if that current position plus 2 is 0 or not. If it is 0, then 2 jump is possible. If it is not the 0, then you have to reduce it to 1 jump, okay, and then iteration goes on. Let's say, for example, I am right now here, I am trying to jump 2, it's not possible, so again I am going back to this second value, so it is only 1 jump. Again I will try to 2 jump, so I am checking here, that is 0 is there, so jump is possible. So this value will be also counted. Now again I will try to 2 jump, but 2 jump is not possible because 1 is there, so I will again come back to 1 jump and this value will be counted. Now again I will try to 2 jump, and here I found out that in the last jump, 2 jump, 0 is there, 1 is not there, so I can jump directly there. Now this value will get counted here. Now here I got the total number of values which I traveled to reach the destination. So total number of values which I traveled is 5. And here I already told you that if the current value is not 0, then in that scenario we just iterate to the next value. Now our logic of code is completed. Now what I have to do, I have to find out, to travel through 5 values I have traveled. Now I have to find out the minimum number of jump he has done. So if you wanted to find out the jump, then it should be total number of values minus 1. In that scenario, here count equal to 5, okay, so jump will be 5 minus 1 is 4. Now I will try to implement the same logic what I have shown you here in HackerRank to see that the logic that I have written is correct or not. Let's see. Here I am going to initialize 2 values just like I have presented in the diagram. Int iteration equal to 0, int count equal to 0. Now I am going to use while loop, and inside while loop I am going to use conditional operator with an if condition to check it. Now I have implemented the same thing what I have written here. Now let's submit the code. Okay, here I am submitting count plus plus. Okay, that both the test cases got successful. Now let's submit the code and see. Okay, all the test cases got submitted successfully. So this is the end of this video. In this video we have learned about one of the programming challenge of HackerRank, jumping on the cloud. In the next video again we are going to learn another one of the important programming challenge of HackerRank. So stay tuned and keep watching Adhyan channel. Thank you.